Alright everyone, I'm showing my watches here, but it's not really these particular watches. I'm just letting you know that I'm kind of a fan of watches and still wear one today. This one right here is the current one, but here's the problem. Look how similar they look. So, I wanted something a little different. So, I ordered the solder watch. And this thing cost me $46.95 plus with shipping. So let's get this thing out. And there it is. Now you're going to notice it looks a little different versus this. Now just to give you a size comparison, look how much bigger it is. This is actually what's kind of cool about this. You get to see the circuitry inside and everything. Now of course I went the lazy route and just purchased the build version. You can get it as a kit and actually build it yourself. But once it's done, there's a little button on the side here and it will tell you the time. Pretty cool. So let's see how this looks. Now of course the strap is Velcro. And there it is. So, you know, I just walk around like this, and if I need to know the time, press that. There you go. So yeah, I just want to show you the solder watch. And basically the casing is made out of acrylic. Got these 4 screws here. You can either use like a specialty bit driver, or you can just thumb screw it to change the battery, or hell, just take it out of the casing if you want to. Now what they also say you can do is you can actually take the strap off and just have it as a pocket watch. But why would I do that when I can just wear it? Just give you a closer look on that. I think it's pretty cool. And I was wearing it earlier today, and it's a conversation starter. So, that's it. Like always, have a good one.